Now let's review our PLC controller for the CA6 series compressed air loaders with two materials. As you can notice, this controller starting we're in the stop mode. That means that the control is not going to operate the loader. We want to stay there until we adjust our parameters to where we think we may want to be. To do that, we hit select, and the first menu that comes up is the virgin on time and regrind on time. As you can see, as we ship it, it generally goes out with 4 seconds for virgin material on time. If you want to run some regrind, you need to set the regrind on time. And to do that, we select the screen, go down to the digit that we want to change, select that digit. We want to raise it to the number of seconds that we want to load. Select OK. And then we can select escape. And as you can see, it's set. It will load the virgin material for 4 seconds, and it will load the regrind for 4 seconds. Now you can set this to very small amounts of time, for example 1 second and 1 second, and it will virtually blend the material so you won't see any layering. It depends upon the application that you're running, and how it works is once it gets the signal, it will load for 4 seconds, in this case virgin, then 4 seconds regrind. If it hasn't fulfilled the signal, it will do that again and will continue to cycle through that until the switch sends a signal saying that the hopper is full, and then it will finish that cycle and be done. So you can set it virtually on a second, or half a second and a half a second, and feed very small amounts of material and cycle the loader very quickly to get a very good blend of material. And you can load one for 3 seconds, one for 1 second, so you can work this till you get exactly what you want. Let's set that back down to 0 on the regrind so that we don't run any material. Just as you receive it in the box. Select it again. I'm going to go down to 0. Say OK. And then escape. And we're now looking at this menu. Let's go to the next menu. This is the pulse on and off time for the loader. And you set it exactly the same way. And it's currently set up to pulse the filter for cleaning for 0.2 seconds. And then it's off for 0.2 seconds. And you can adjust this if necessary, but most customers don't need to adjust the pulse filter. This one is interesting. This says it will clean the filter every third load, so that you don't waste a lot of compressed air cleaning the filter if you don't need to. You don't need to clean the filter after each load. So we ship it so it will load 3 times and then it will clean the filter. And it's set up to do 3 pulses each time it cleans the filter. And you can change them just as we change the load time for the virgin and the regrind. Okay, we can go escape. We want to go into the run mode, so we want to go escape again, and we want to go down to run, and we select OK, and yes, we want to go into the run mode, and you can see that the loader is now ready to run, and this is actually saying, do you want to stop? And if we go back to the main menu, you can see that it's in the run mode. That's it. It's very simple to operate. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 800-918-5820. Thank you.